Emmeline.
Hi, Maria here.
Desi here from Bait and Dream. Ava here from Bait and Dream.
I learned about the different tactics for online selling, such as B2B, business to business, and B2C, business to individual entrepreneurs. Thank you so much, Aaron Watson.
The most fascinating part for me, it's this idea that you're supposed to consume, comment, curate, then create.
My biggest takeaway was that consistency helps people trust your brand. If you put out videos regularly and post frequently, people will trust your brand.
The most important thing is to be in a room to have good lighting when we film. It's because of you I'm going to be looking closer at our statistics on YouTube.
I would like to give a special thank you to the Pittsburgh Technology Council for inviting us to the talk by Aaron Watson. It was a truly incredible experience. Thank you.